Chili, chili, fire, hot rush. Here we are. Look at this beautiful smile. Look at these beautiful donkeys. Look at the beautiful Fontainebleau center bar. And I think we should win some beautiful money because we've been getting absolutely wrecked the last few hours here. We need the help of these donkeys. This is a Konami game, by the way, so if it sounds like a video game, that is why. I don't know if they started with video games. You can pop at any given time. Now, I've seen people play this online, but I've never played it myself, so it's my first time. Excited to see what happens. You need 3 of those, I'm assuming. Oh, there was one right there. Chili's. Let's do some max bets. It's chili. Pop it. Oh, is he? Oh, did he do it? Nice. He popped. Out of max bet. Old max bet on pennies. Oh, mini. And then we won the mini so far. Yeah. It's $6. Oh, it's a $6 mini. I had no idea. Oh, but we collect each time. That's right. Let's get some more progressives. No, keep dropping more. Oh no. Oh, okay. Hooray! Please drop another progressive. Oh yeah? Okay. His crazy face. Okay. Drop some more, please. I know. Oh, is that it? So it has to keep going. It has to keep going down, and then if you get another symbol, it resets, and then you collect whatever you've already won. So I've seen people, I think now I remember, they got like the mega or something, and they collected it multiple times. It very much sounds like a video game, because it is a Konami game, as we said. Oh, back to back. Come on, Mr. Donkey, we're all friends here. That mini, I've never seen a $6 mini. That's pretty funny to me. Oh. She was pushing the chili like it was chili, man. That's so funny. That was cute. That was 15 bucks. It was a third of our bonus round. Oh, 2 more? Come on, little donkeys. Man, imagine how crazy it'd be to get the mega and then the 200 bucks and keep getting it on repeat. So you can pop at any time with those. Or I think 6. Yeah, if you get a jackpot one, it may trigger any of those progressives up there, so. Oh, wow, where was she on the first one? 3. Let's go over to 2 cents. It still has 30 lines. What's this? 120. Oh. Pop. No, he's just singing a song. Oh, we need 2 more of those. Oh yeah? Oh, he was right there, what the heck? Come on, little donkey. Doo-doo. Oh, I thought he was going. He was cool. He quietly does it too. So he's a wild, that's good. Look at the happy donkey. Look at the happy little donkey. Yes? No. Yes? No. 360. Oh, it did do it. Nice. Yeah. Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. Come on, some more up there at the top. Oh, progressive. Okay, so we need more to drop. Oh, drop things. Okay. Drop more symbols in there. Symbols. There's 1, 3, okay. Drop a progressive, please. You can see the coin peeking and it's gonna be like, where are the spins? Okay, that's good. Collect. Where's the remaining spins? I think it's probably 3. Come on, drop 1. Oh no, drop 1. So it doesn't have spins. It is. I think it's just when you get 2 in a row. If you get 2 in a row without a little guy, then it'll just kind of stop the 3 spins. Okay, okay. Good little rebate, $49, almost 50. Back to back. So Wifey loves chili, man, as you guys know. Back to back. Wifey loves chili, man. This must be his older brother. Oh, maracas and a chance. Oh, we want to see that bonus round too. I've never had that one. Oh. Oh, it looks like it's gonna go up. It goes up so fast. It looks like it should have been something. Pop. No. His nose is getting bigger. Does 6 of these trigger? Do it. I think it's random, but I'm not sure if 6 will trigger it. $4.80. Let's mix it up a little bit. Oh, there was one at the top. Let's do a couple here. Come on, 1. Oh, do it now. $12 mini, the most random numbers. It goes up by $6 increments, which is funny. Happy donkeys. Oh, jackpot, do it now. Oh, that would have been so good because it would have given any one of those, you know, the 2 out of the 4 are very good. Uh-oh, he's steaming, that means it's close. Or does it, who knows? I want to see the other little chili bonus. Okay. Remember, he's wild. 16 bucks, not bad. Or 3 of a kind or whatever. Okay. Oh, come on, 1. Yes, sweet on it, right? Okay, yes. Finally, we wanted the little chili. The dancing cute chilies. Huh? I don't know, it's oh yeah, it's free. Wifey loves a chili, man, come on. Do a good dance for us. Okay, okay, what's going on here? Oh yeah, oh, that'd be awesome if the repeat. Do it. Oh, do it now, please, with the repeat. Do it with the repeat. I've seen it with the repeat. I don't know what it does exactly. I'll bring that one back with the mini. It's fine too. Why is he winking at me? Yes. Do it now. Yeah. The repeat coin payout with this and the repeat rush. I don't know. It's crazy. I've seen it before. I kind of just forgot what it does. That's how big he is. Do it now. Game 8 of. We've so far won barely our bet back, but. And we won our bet back and 50 cents. That was awesome.
This wasn't even worth it.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much he is the right feature. I mean, we had a lot of little chilies go off to him, so maybe that means he's like more ready to pop off. Let's try 5-cent denom, why not? It's 15 lines, what's the minimum? 150. Yes, so the mini is 30 here, not $6 as we saw last time. Joey Crack! Oh shit. Fat Joe, oh shit. Yeah, it's a famous rapper. Yeah. Oh, he did. He threw up a deuce. Wow. Oh, that's crazy. He lost so much weight. That's Fat Joe. You know, lean back. Lean back. That's him. They call him Joey Crack because that's what he calls himself in his songs. He was nice. He noticed me looking at him, and I was like, I couldn't tell if it was him because like. He lost like quite 150 pounds. And I wasn't sure, because you see a lot of people in Vegas. That was so random. Okay, so now that we saw Fat Joe, a very slim Fat Joe now, he told us to lean back in our chair and enjoy this. Win. Okay, we need some more help here, Mr. Chili's and Mr. Donkeys. We're a friend of all of you, okay? We're a friend of Donkeys. Wifey loves Chili's. Oh yes, this is the time. I asked for it and no. Oh, please now. Miner's 30. Oh, yes. No, I thought he was gonna do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my God. I didn't know. It looks like it's gonna explode, so. Yeah, everyone's trying to take all our money. That's the story of Las Vegas. Is that if we can get any of it back and then run for the night, that's the thing. Oh, one more for that terrible, what was it, $2.50 bonus, whatever it was. 24 cents.
Oh, it's Cinco de Mayo.
Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, yeah. Exactly, people are in town. He's probably in town for a show. Well, we did good on max bet at $1, 1 cent, right? So let's try that a little bit. How does it give so many bonuses so early and then? So let that be a lesson to everybody. The machines will give a bonus early. I mean, you all already know if you're watching this. When the machines will give a bonus early, does it mean stay or run away? Take the $20 win, the $30 win, the $50 win, and be happy with it. Or does it mean the machine is hot? In this case, it meant, I don't know what it meant. I know, last time. I know. We've been playing him for a long time, 14, 15 minutes so far. I believe in the comeback. 4 spins. Yes, yes. No. No line hit too. Wow. Two total. And well, Wifey's looking at me like, what did we just do? We came to this machine trying to play a new one and have some fun, and we did have fun, except we didn't lock up the win. I don't know. We tried to make a fun video and show this game for the first time, but it was kind of tough. But we'll go find another one. It's a nice day. We just saw Fat Joe. We're leaning back in our chair. We're at the Fountain Blue, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching, friends.